Well, 2017 C2 question 5. Solve this equation and between 0 and 180. So first of all, if you write tan is sine over cos, making sure you square each term, plus 8 equals sine 7 over sine theta. To divide by a fraction, turn it upside down and multiply, so that becomes 2 cos squared over sine squared plus 8 equals 7 over sine theta. To get rid of this fraction in the bottom, multiply every term by sine squared. So the first term becomes 2 cos squared, 8 sine squared, and sine squared times over sine gives you 7 sine. Put everything on, it's cos squared, sine squared, and sine. My trig words aren't all the same, so you have to make them all the same. So I'm going to make this cos squared into sine squared using the trig identity of sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So just rearranging that, cos squared is 1 minus sine squared. So I'll call this equation 1. It now becomes 2. Instead of writing cos squared, write 1 minus sine squared plus 8 sine squared equals 7 sine theta. Times you get that bracket first of all, 2 minus 2 sine squared plus 8 sine squared. Quadratic, so bring everything onto one side. So that's minus 7 sine equals 0. Tidying up, minus 2 sine squared plus sine squared is 6 sine squared. Minus 7 sine theta plus 2. So I'm writing them in order. You can either use the formula here or factorize. That factorizes to 3 sine theta and 2 sine theta and minus 1 and minus 2, because outside is minus 3, and then that becomes minus 4. Minus 3, take away 4 is minus 7. Put each bracket equal to 0. So you've got 3 sine theta equals 2. So sine theta is 2/3. And over in this one, so 2 sine theta minus 1 equals 0. So 2 sine theta equals 1. Sine theta equals 1/2. So your principal angle here is inverse sine 2/3, which works out to be 41.81 degrees. Your principal angle here is inverse sine 1/2, which is 30 degrees. Doing out your cast diagrams, and the question is wanting you from 0 to 180. So go 0, 90, 180, it's a positive cast. C-A-S-T, and the same over on this side. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. C-A-S-T. Sine is positive, so it's these two quadrants. So theta equals the first angle, 41.8 degrees. The next one is 180 minus 41.8, giving me the two answers of 41.8 and 138 degrees, giving it three significant figures. And over here, these two quadrants are the positive. First angle is 30, and the second angle is 180 minus 30, which is 150 degrees.